Today, I want to talk to you about something that affects each and every one of us: auto insurance. Auto insurance is not just a legal requirement in many places, it's a vital financial protection that can save us from significant financial burdens in times of need. Auto insurance is all about protecting ourselves, our vehicles, and others on the road. It provides coverage for accidents, damages, and injuries that may occur while driving, ensuring that we're not left footing the bill for costly repairs or medical expenses out of pocket. But auto insurance isn't just about protecting our vehicles, it's also about protecting our finances and our future. Without proper insurance coverage, a single accident can lead to financial ruin, leaving us struggling to pay for damages, medical bills, and legal fees. With auto insurance, we can drive with confidence, knowing that we have a safety net to fall back on if the unexpected happens. There are different types of auto insurance coverage to choose from, each offering different levels of protection. Liability insurance covers damages and injuries to others if you're at fault in an accident, while collision and comprehensive coverage can help pay for damages to your own vehicle, regardless of fault. Additionally, underinsured motorist coverage provides protection if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance, or enough insurance to cover your damages. The truth is, auto insurance is a crucial investment in our safety, our finances, and our peace of mind. It's a small price to pay for the protection it provides and the peace of mind it brings. So, my friends, I urge you to take a moment to review your auto insurance coverage, and make sure you have the protection you need. Myworldstuffs.com cover finance topics such as insurance, loans, and credit cards, can provide valuable information and assistance in several ways. It offers in-depth articles, guides and tutorials that help readers understand various financial concepts. This educational content can empower individuals to make informed decisions about insurance, loans, and credit cards.